Hello guys, good morning guys. Hope you're going to have perfect day today. We are going to have as well, of course. Hello guys. Hello everyone. Hello. Well, what we can see so far, perfect sell off from daily breaker block and fair value gap right here. Absolutely amazing reaction. And what is more interesting, if I want to open a 15-minute chart, look what happened yesterday at 6 p.m. We tested equilibrium Friday range and price simply rejected from that level. That's not coincident, I think. And so far, ES trying to stay below 50% of daily fair value gap. I guess that was another confirmation for us. Price dropping. So interesting projections right here so far. So kind of stuck between 2 and 1.5. We took previous week low level. Looks more bearish right now, but once again, if you just want to open forward chart, it's more tricky, a bit more tricky in my opinion. But what I want to see, we got sell side liquidity right here. So low of this 4-hour candle, big wick right here. So price may actually go there right now. Also, we have 50% of monthly wick that I mentioned yesterday. So maybe we'll test this. So just right now, at this specific second, more bearish than bullish. Looking for the break below previous week low level only, yes. 50% of monthly wick test as well. And below this level, we have 1 hourly order block. So kind of my target area right now is between 50% of monthly wick and 1 hour order block. So this one. Okay, let's name it. Target area. Target area for ES. And preferable target area for NQ is right here. Kind of big range, I know, like 70 points range, but it's target area as well. So my two key areas right here. So ideally would like to see drop there. Then we'll see how it goes. So I sent a mail to them, to my funded futures. So I asked them for giveaway. I don't know what is going on. Normally it takes like 1-2 days. Right now, I don't know. I sent a mail this morning, so don't worry. We will see how it goes. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm just annoying. I agree with you. So 260 is liquidity level, yeah. Right at the open? Maybe. Yeah, we actually can retrace higher. It doesn't mean like my bearish bias is going to be invalidated. If we may trace higher, for example, we got range 2 and 2.5. The tracement range between 1 and 1.5. Continuation lower? Yes. Yes. So it's going to be, let me crystal ball a little bit. So it can look like this, for example, or just going to drop immediately. So we'll see. So 2 and 2.5 usually the tracement area. And as you can see, 2.5 lines up with sell side liquidity, which is top of our target area. So kind of tricky, right? About retracement. Like we will see. Not entirely sure, but don't mind, because it may give us opportunity at least. Maybe something like this, right? We'll see. So don't want to predict right now. What time is this? 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Let's check silver, because we have major news today at 4 p.m. Market is going to be interesting. Okay, let's take a look at silver. We'll start with daily chart. I'd like to make analysis. So we got daily order block right here. Basically, yeah, price inverted this fair value gap, but it's okay still. Come on. So order block on daily. 2 a.m. sweep. Right? You have 2 a.m. sweep right now. And nothing right here yet on 30-minute chart. Because I didn't mind to confirm something on 30-minute chart. Okay, nothing right now. Maybe SMT. Let's take a look. Bit not anything great. So, yeah, nothing tells me right now to long, unfortunately. So, want to do something on 30-minute chart? Nothing yet. But I don't want to trade silver today, honestly. If it may get us a top. Remember what we discussed yesterday? I deleted? No way I deleted. So yesterday we discussed potential reversal from 5-minute fair value gap, right? And that's actually happened just what time it was? Oh, right here, yeah. Remember I said like we have 5-minute fair value gap, and if it wants to drop from here on STM, it will drop from 5-minute fair value gap. Look at this perfect reaction. I'm not going to lie, guys. Hello. I'm not going to lie, guys. Yesterday I put limit order on silver. It was 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you where. I put my limit order right here and I canceled this. Short. I was like, lots of questions. And like, okay, could be absolutely amazing trade. But it is what it is, so I'm not going to complain about this because so waiting for 30-minute confirmation, at least something on 30-minute chart or 1-hour chart. If it's going to be sweep on 30-minute chart on gold, that's going to be amazing for us. We will try to long. Just need to wait. Euro, are you serious? Want to see we sweeping this low right here, going higher? Ridiculous. But it was 30-minute setup, by the way. We got sweep, 3-minute order block, price it trace to the 3-minute order block. Like 1, 2, 3. Like many times, and continue going higher to liquidity level. No trades in euro, so I want to see like we taking this low and then this fair value gap reversing. Already happened, so. On CL, did not reach TP, as always. Market is open. So both ES and Q, where's monthly weekly open? Okay, I don't know where's my weekly open on ES, but right now we tested weekly open on NQ. Right now we are range between 2 and 2.5. My target area is still lower, but if it wants to retrace, I would like to see something like this. We have a couple of fair value gaps on 15-minute chart right here, which is like untapped fair value gap, right? Right here and right here. So let's see how it goes. You want to see the trace into 550. So at this level, I have 3-minute order block. I highlighted this for a reason. So really, if it wants to retrace first barrier is going to be these two fair value gaps. Next barrier, support, resistance, actually, is going to be this 3-minute order block. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Hope we are going to get absolutely amazing setup today. We are going to kill this. If not, then that's bad. But I hope you are going to get something. I'm going to keep my eyes on silver, because I still would like to trade silver. So bad. I don't know if it's just me, but I noticed silver moves exactly the same like NQ, like it's fast. Gold a bit faster than ES, but it's pretty much similar to ES, right? That's interesting. 3-minute chart, 1-hour chart, and 4-hour chart. Yeah, waiting for confirmation, at least something on gold on 30-minute chart, which can confirm potential long for us. On gold or silver, I don't care, like what to trade. Just will compare what which is weak, which is strong, and we'll decide what I want to see. We'll keep you updated, guys, because that's much better to trade. gold or silver today. Good morning, everyone. If not enjoying. So more just at a specific moment, I would like to see long on gold or silver, but I need to have set up for this. I'm going to switch right now on 5-minute chart on ES and Q. Not yet. I do trade minis. Exactly. So taking out this liquidity. What it was? It's trying to take out this buy side liquidity level, still trying to take this buy side liquidity. On NQ, talking about silver, normally it's going to, with 1 mini, it's going to be risk like $400, but you can make 2R, like not that hard to make 2R. So I like, for some reason, silver more than gold. So as I said before, where's my 15-minute chart? Price trying to retrace from the range between 2 and 2.5. First barrier for us is going to be 2 fair value gaps right there. Second one, if for example, let's say we are going to break above this level, is going to be 3-minute order block. Yeah, unfortunately or fortunately, in my opinion, silver moves like not that bad. I would say most of the time it's predictable move. So I found it's okay to trade minis because it was not going to lie. I wasn't able to find like micros on silver. And I was like, well, minions and minion. Okay, minion. Yeah, try to trade with 1 minion. It's not that bad. I don't really use RTA chart. I know many people use this. It's just personal preference. So if you would like to use this, use this. Cannot stop you from this. Interesting up close candle right here. Let's, by the way, highlight 2 fair value gaps, which is our barrier, right? First barrier. And second one, as we already know, is going to be 3-minute order block. So right now, inside 15-minute fair value gaps, I put this fair values in one box. We'll try to act accordingly. Nice actually retracement from the range between 2 and 2.5. So far, textbook. Seems like we have low resistance right here. So if price wants to break above this level, I mean fair value gap, low resistance, yeah, actually can go even right here. For RTH chart, actually I use RTH caps on SPX. Let's delete some levels from here. Huge gap right now on SPX. Want to highlight from this close to the open of this candle, which is right here. And here's RTH gap. Extend this. And quick reminder, like quarters of this gap is like psychological levels. So basically we have 25, 50%, 75%. So psychological levels, yes, we can actually retrace, for example, from here. But most of the time we will see retracement from 50% or 75%. Price going higher, I mean, that's fine. That's okay. Once again, low resistance right here. Price can actually just go there. We have 3-minute order block, which is my key level. 3-minute order block right here. These 2 up close candles. Because right here, this candle looks tricky. I didn't count this as part of order block. So 2 candles right here. Anyway. Let's see. Do we have first presented already? Not yet. Oh, actually, yes, we have it. Let's highlight first presented. Price will drop to this level, most likely. That's our first presented, right? Yep. first presented. We'll look for short, so first presented at least. Then we'll see. Slowly going to my 3-minute order block. I would say right now is a key moment, so let's see if we catch short. Because just right now, it still seems like a retracement in my opinion. I hope I'm right. Okay, going to switch connect accounts. Q and Q. Then we have major news at 4 p.m. So some people decided to not take any trades today at all. But we can actually try, so why not? Still sitting below 3-minute order block. We have New York Midnight Open as a part of 3-minute order block. Also would like to highlight this very well gap on 15-minute chart, which is slightly higher above London high. Honestly, I like how 5-minute breaker block right lines up is first presented. Oh, no shorts right now. I would like to see a short, preferably somewhere from here. Right here. So London high, 3-minute order block. Yeah, let's see. So I'm not going to be in a rush. Do we have any news at 10? Look at this perfect move on gold. Brilliant move. Oh, actually, it's confirming this 30-minute sweep right here. Don't really like silver yet. Okay, trying to be focused right now. Going to the 3-minute order block. Crazy move up, but well, how many points we moved? Like 200. Oh my god. Orange folder. Okay, thank you. Only 200 points, guys. Not a lot. Not a lot of points from market open. I like how it left first presented. I'm kidding, guys. Just it's just crazy. Anyway, so let's see. Was so close to this. How many points? It's come on, why I cannot? 9 points away from order block. Come on. You got 90 points. That's brilliant. Congratulations. Come on. A bit higher. What's the plan right now? Just right now. I'm sorry, guys. We have 3-minute order block right here. So basically, my plan, not entirely sure yet, but look for short somewhere right here. Wait for perfect setup somewhere right here in this box. Volatility is crazy right now. Crazy. Yeah, actually break above 540, maybe 550. So this range. Would like to look for short inside this, preferably. So cannot say for sure, but preferably. It just was straight move up. Crazy. Look at this. We don't have week right here. Flat candle. First presented open. I hope they are going to get short. Just to try. Like I'm ready to try this because it makes sense to retrace lower. We'll be ready to accept this risk. Slowly going to the 3-minute order block. About to take this. We enter the 3-minute order block. Yeah, not going to blindly, press sell button. Just going to wait for good entry confirmation to try this. Previous fire open. What was the price? Yeah, I saw the 3-minute inversion, but it was like right at the open. 550, yeah, that works. Like 540, 567, somewhere there. Look for short. Yeah, breaker block, absolutely good confirmation, yes. Crazy move up, just crazy. Guys, 250. 250 for 10 minutes. Yeah, we're inside my short zone as well. Thank you, God. Can you hear me? Offer short opportunity. We don't want to miss this. Please. Look at this week on forward chart. Yeah, that's crazy. Just crazy. Going to high drawings right now. What is going on? Look at this week. Look at this massive hourly candle. That's crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. In Q touch New York midnight open. We're still inside my key area. Hardest part when we have huge trend up or down, it's sometimes it's not that smart to look for reversal, right? Because we got huge trend. Love this type of market conditions. Not. Yeah. New York midnight open. Yeah, we just took this level. ES left this level. By the way, we're still below this level. Yeah, that was crazy, right? What's wrong with gold? Gold reversed exactly from levels that we wanted to see. Nope. Here's was my straight idea before market open, by the way. It play out. What was the 10-minute fair value gap? This is what I want to see. Equal highs on NQ, what price for this? London high? If so, if London high, for example, at this point, ES may touch New York midnight open. That's so far, that's just crazy, guys. Not good to lie. It's massive, so far massive. Just personal recommendation, try to avoid taking short trades just right now until ES confirms this. It's extremely tricky right now. Try to catch the top. So at least, I don't want to see unicorn, maybe order block on 5-minute chart. So what will happen first? I don't know. We will see. It's so hard to say SMT because just right now makes sense to take New York midnight open on ES. My win rate around like 60-70%. Last month it was 71%. I don't know why 71, but 71. Well, perfect, amazing. APL so far, it was just 1 minute trade yesterday, so I cannot say for this month what it's going to be. So far, it's just 100% because I took just one trade. October, it was 30% win rate. Perfect month, 2024. So slowly moving to London high. ES is about to take New York midnight open. Still trying to say, try to avoid picking the top, because if you're looking for the reversal, at least both ES and NQ should confirm this, right? We have important news at 4 today. Maybe market is going to be crazy, just crazy. But what is going on in SPX right now? We broke about 50% of our TH gap, slowly moving to 75. So 75 is next resistance level. Let's put alert. Don't want to watch this chart right now. At 3 p.m., why I was like, it's going to be 4 p.m. I know. Yeah, probably Trump will say something, market is going to drop. I didn't know why, but so far it makes sense to drop. London high is about to be taken. New York midnight open is about to be taken. Since we got the straight move up, that's crazy. Okay, going to check different markets right now because that's crazy. What time is it? 7 minutes left until new hourly candle. Guys, that's crazy market. Yeah, I remember like post CPI price action was what is going on? Can someone tell me what is going on with post CPI price action? That's crazy. I don't want to pick the top honestly, but just for fun to see. Oh, 30 points, by the way, not that bad. Oh my god. I know, like kind of like this, but what about ES? What about SPX? SPX was about to take 75%. On SPX as well. I know, like flat candle right here, flat candle right here. Market is crazy, you know. I'm trying to be patient. That's what I want to wait for. No, it's not like set up on 1 minute chart, just overall idea, but makes sense to consider, for example, SPX. SPX was kind of close to 75% of RTH gap. Order block right here, 75% of opening range gap on ES. Yeah. Only one concern, ES left New York midnight open. That's pretty much it. I know, like, tricky, right? Daily open slightly higher, so in Q failed to take daily open. So no trade yet. We got a couple of flat candles, guys, right here. Right here. Let me delete this. No interest right now. Only concern, like two concerns actually. London Highlands obvious daily open on NQ and New York midnight open on ES, since this level was taken on NQ already. By high. So low. You know, it sounds like a joke, but it's not joke anymore. Right? So 3 minutes left until 10. Waiting for silver bullet. Waiting for something, you know. Flat candle. Candles that doesn't have wick. So basically we don't have manipulation on this wick. Wickless candle. Flat candle. You got it. Now it's time to talk about gold and silver because we are waiting for new 30-minute and hourly candle. We have news at 10. I like how slow is this right now, right? Just waiting for 10 a.m. Hate it. Hate it so much. The reason that they decided to left first present for value gap open makes me feel like, yes, I would like to look for short. We have, by the way, we have SMT between ES and NQ right now. Just SMT between ES and NQ at highs right at this specific moment. Guys, news in 10 seconds. News came out. Be careful, guys. Just be careful, guys. News came out. It's new hourly candle. It may actually try to offer manipulation first. Market is crazy. So yes, really wants to take New York midnight open. Seems like London highest daily open. So here's 15-minute fair value gap. Since we got 4-hour sweep at 6 p.m., 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see what will happen around this level. New York midnight open still wasn't taken. Some people said we have news at 10. It was low impact news, factory orders, but still offered volatility, so yeah, we just filled opening range gap. It's about to fill this gap on SPX as well. That's crazy, guys. Let me keep my eyes on silver and gold. New York midnight open taken on yes. The 30-minute chart or hourly chart? JC. Looking at gold right now. On gold, we got 4-hour sweep, we got hourly sweep. Looking at gold. We got 5-minute breaker block on gold as well. Right here. We got sweep, we got sweep, we got sweep. Just the 3-minute chart. Okay, we got a test of order block. We got 5-minute fair value gap. The day when I decided to trade silver. What's wrong with silver? But pretty much similar idea with silver, I would say. Here's my silver. Trying to hold this 5-minute fair value gap. Let me see. Kind of slow right now, I see. Let me read your question. You're talking about NQ? Okay, kind of like the silver right now. It's tricky, but let's see how we can hold this fair value gap. Let's check gold. A bit tricky 30-minute chart right here, but kind of huge week. Not entirely sure about short on gold yet. And Q still trying to go higher. I like the sweep on a 1-hour chart. Looking for short on silver, like most likely. Because we got external, maybe it will go back to internal range liquidity. We also got this sweep right here. I'm trying to be patient right now. Don't want to make stupid mistakes. We got a sweep right here. Do we have... We don't have order block yet on gold. Okay, we don't have it yet. But what I like, we have this setup on silver already. I know I can't. Okay, guys, we'll keep you updated. Back on NQ. NQ. Trying to respect New York midnight open and 15-minute fair value gap right here. Let me open silver because I'm actually open the order on silver. Short on silver. Let's see. Not sure yet. So what I can see so far, solid move up, waiting for maybe 2-minute inversion to form. Let's see. Because if it may actually form this, 60 points. We'll give it a try, probably short on NQ. Look, I like the short on silver as well. So 2 options for us. Well, we do have inversion on SPX as well. Looking for entry. Totally fine to be wrong if I'm wrong. Would like to try. Looking for this. What do you mean? We got inversion. Well, let's see. Trying the short. Guys. For some reason, my ATM order doesn't want to work. Okay. Looking for this trade, guys. Enter the short. Yes, took the short. Aiming for this low right here. Kind of wrong, but trying to follow the plan. Yeah, I said I took this. Let's see how it goes. Decide to not wait. Oh, I didn't show this. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I was like, why you keep asking me? Where is my needle? I'm so sorry, guys. I was like, why are you asking me? So I would like to add more to my trade. For some reason, my ATM orders didn't work. I'm going to add if it's going to the trace. How to? We'll try to add right here. If wrong, then wrong. We'll try must up a bit higher, just once again, enter it for 1 hour initially if it wants to drop. Want to add. It's sell. Because stop is big, it's volatility. Come on, what do you expect to get? Give it a try. So I don't know what will happen, but no risk, no reward. Yes, I do use 15-minute liquidity sweep sometimes. I will adjust my stop loss. It's not this crazy. Yeah, volatility is crazy, so sometimes we need to risk to make money. Happens. Hard to avoid this because it's trading. This is how trading works. Going to check silver while we are waiting for magic to happen. Nothing on silver. Why? I would say both yes and you offered this. So I had to give it a try. If I decided to miss this, it could be way. It wasn't good. No risk, no reward. Once again, trying. If it's going to add to my trade, that's amazing because where I want to add, it was my initial entry. But since I don't want to wait for retracement because sometimes retracement simply doesn't happen, I decided to enter simply to add higher. If I'm wrong, then I will take a loss. If I'm right, then I will take a profit. That's pretty much it. So far, I'm sorry guys, so far this volatility is crazy. Let's see. If it's going to fail, then we will try again later. We have 2-minute BPR. This is where my entry is. Okay, add it to my position. Let's see. So if it's going to be loss, then it's loss. So I'll have to accept this. Where is first presented? E89. This PX trying to go higher. Well, if it's going to be loss, then I will try again later. I liked the action from 15-minute fair value gap. It was my height from PD ray. It offered 1 minute structure. We got the closure. We got 1 minute order block. We got market structure shift. It was enough for me to enter the trade. My concern right now is flat candles right here. Once again, I'm totally fine to be wrong. My concern is flat candles right here, and we have first presented open. Today is a case when I'm totally fine to take a loss. It's a day. By the way, it's not flat candle right here. This one is flat candle. My bad, guys. Didn't see this. My stop loss above bodies right here, not above wicks. So let's see how it goes. Feel nothing right now, No matter what will happen, it was good try. I would say, I'm sorry guys, according to the plan. My plan. I'm thinking lots of people right now in this short, not because of this stream, just overall, because it looks like perfect structure to short, and then a lot of people are going to catch a stop. Not going to in real time, this looks nice. In hindsight, I don't know how it's going to look. Maybe in hindsight, it's going to be it was so obvious. I didn't need to too long from there, short from there. But in real time, it doesn't sound bad and doesn't looks good. But I mean, so let's see. I like it. But imagine, I'm serious, guys. Interesting. How many people right now trying to short? How many? Because it seems like we are going to be. I hope you're going to be winners, but you long. Some people long, some people short. You know what is interesting? Yeah, I agree with some people. SPX doesn't really look bearish right now. But anyway, if it's going to stop me out right now, I will give it another try, so I'm not going to give up. Stop limit because my ATM order didn't work. I just put stop limit. It's stop limit? Give me 1 second. I'm going to adjust this right now. Yeah, stop limit. Of course, when I decided to enter the trade, I started consolidating. Classic, perfect. Normally it feels. It's not going to be a huge volatility. When yes, you're right. When we have huge volatility, normally it just can go through this. But I just can cancel order manually if it's not going to work. A couple of points, not a big deal. News in 7 minutes for silver and silver. Not silver, CL, oil. I know ES looks so bullish right now. I may actually close this before my stop loss. Let's see. I don't like how inverted this fair value gap right here. I may actually close this. Close this. SPX too bullish. So small loss so far. Closes before my stop loss. Yeah, kind of don't like it right now. Closes before my stop loss hit. Lost so far, lost so far. Don't like it. I'm not going to. I don't like it right now. Maybe I just entered too early. Need to wait more. Feel like, feel like entered too early. Yeah, I will try to wait. Maybe we'll give it another try. Just not right now. We'll give it a try later. Gold. Yeah, see, this is why I didn't like gold. It was kind of tricky. Silver, I don't know, like. So we got SMT right now. Still happy I close this. Happy, will be happy to re-enter. Didn't really like it, not going to lie. I will be happy to re-enter, I would say. Exactly when I closed. Yeah, looking for the entry, guys. Not just right now, just waiting for another confirmation. This week is okay to me, so I'm not going to complain about this. This week was nice. Not going to lie, kind of happy I closed this. %50 of daily. Yeah, possible. We got opposite 2-minute inversion right now. SPX stuck. Took this liquidity level right here. SMT between ES and NQ. I'm looking for the entry. Still feel like I did fine when I decided to close. Okay, waiting for another confirmation to enter the short because right now I don't have any. $15-minute chart offer at sweep. Order block right here. Let me delete some levels. Trying to hold this order block so far. Maybe my trade was a bit early. I feel like it was a bit early. That's why I'm like, better to the enter, you know? No, I closed in red, so I entered. My average was somewhere right here. I closed right here, so decided to not wait for this level right here. Just I saw like we have like invalidation. I was like not going to wait for stop loss, just going to close. Just SPX looks too bullish to me. That's why I just don't want to wait for stop loss. When I see invalidation, it's better to close. It's better to close. I'm sorry, guys. Looks like we got equal highs right here. I will just give it another try, so I'm not going to complain about this. Low and high taken. Did you trace back to daily fair value gap only? Yes. No, I close short. I was in, but closes. Feel like my entry was early, so we still can actually try to go higher. Maybe like this. First. My average was somewhere right here. Somewhere right here. I don't remember. Close somewhere right here. Not a big deal. Stuck at daily open on both ES and Q so far. See how it's trying to hold this order block, bullish order block. Because I feel like we should go higher first right now, especially look how ES invalidated this immediately. And maybe only after this, my idea is going to play. There's no reason for, I know, no reason for me to wait for stop loss at this point. Previous day high, Asia high actually can be taken. Asia high also lines up with daily breaker block on ES right now. Let's see. Anyway, still feel like it was good try, so not going to complain about this. Just journal. Waiting for the next opportunity. So one more test of I'm sorry guys, one more test of 50-minute fair value gap. Projections on 50-minute, right? Okay, let me check. That's actually interesting. With this move down, we tested 1 and 1.5 and reversed. Yeah, by the way, it was nice. So I'm waiting for opportunity. So if I see confirmation, I'm going to enter. I saw confirmation on NQ. Kind of felt like SPX also offered this, but it invalidated, so I closed. It's way better to close early to not wait for your stop loss when you see invalidation. So invalidation was in play. In play. I closed. My question if silver can do something, because silver C we got sweep on 1 hour chart on 30-minute chart, but it's a bit choppy right now. But it is at 50% of this hourly week. Let me switch on silver right now. Where's my silver? Where's my silver? I'm so sorry, guys. Here's silver. Just open the chart. So yeah, kind of looks interesting right now. Tested 50% of hourly week. On silver. Not going to a silver, in my opinion, looks bearish based on hourly chart. 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart as well, so. So we tested 50%. We entered daily fair value gap again. It will be so funny if it wants to drop again. I wasn't short, Michael. I wasn't short. I closed I closed this. So far sitting red. My target was this level for 65.50. Painful, but it is what it is. I entered somewhere right here and closed right here because I was like, I saw invalidation, didn't want to wait for. And then came shorted. That's even more painful, you know. But anyway, that sounds good because it wasn't just me. But I totally fine with your sell side liquidity. We have flat candle on 1-minute chart at 465. So I like it as well. Anyway, happy with my try. It was amazing try. Guys, we weren't alone. How big range? Let me see. Well, let's see. Looking for another opportunity, so looking for another opportunity. How to do this? I'm just trying to figure out why my ATM order doesn't want to work. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. It takes time. So waiting for opportunity, guys. If I can get this, that's amazing. If not, then maybe I will go away with one loss. And will accept the situation. If not, then, well, I don't want to be in rush right now, wait for stop loss or something like this. Just want to wait for a high quality setup. Well, just figure out why my ATM orders didn't work. Maybe that chappy because we have news today. Okay, guys, trying to be focused. Stop asking questions. Funny. Maybe not. Yeah, trying to expect 50% of 1 minute order block so far. Right here. Looks bullish. I didn't see opportunity to enter again. I'm not going to chase, just trying to follow my plan. La la la. Okay, no trades yet. Just one loss so far. No trades for me right now. Interesting the action from 50% of this order block. Trying to hold SMT, looks like. But it didn't really have like strong SMT, like minor. Anyway, guys, let's try to be patient right now. Nothing yet. Look how choppy this is right now. Asia high still remains higher, so sitting, waiting for opportunity. 2-minute chart. Here's my ninja trader. Here's 2-minute chart. We got sweep. We got one more inversion. Really would like to give it another try, guys. Okay, looking at yes right now. Yes, offer at order block. It's a good sign. We have changed in the state of delivery on gold. No, gold on CES. I'm like, Two-minute chart looks so nice. Well, I know, market makers, you're waiting for me to finish the steam to drop. No. I'm going to sit right here. No. We are not going to give up. We're still here. Wait. Well, guys, what we can see, 50% of this order block trying to hold. Asia high still higher. Like Joker says, it looks still bullish. I don't want to chase. I don't want to do anything, just going to wait. Way too many games so far. Way too many games. Well, still trying to hold 2-minute inversion. Raise my 2-minute inversion. I mean, high of this inversion. This buy side liquidity level. Market makers, I know you're watching. Just what is going on? You're good friends. What is going on? Just asking. I'm just trying to understand what's wrong with you. You're going to full port longs? Well, okay. I'm not going to stop you from this. You know. I'm going to wait. If nothing, then, well, I'm going to take a loss and just go away. Part of the game. I like how we're trying to stay below 50% of 15-minute fair value gap. Only concern, yes, we have Asia high higher. I'm going to sit here. I'm just going to wait. Because normally when I have, for example, let's say 2 losses in a row, I'm going to be done for the day. So I will give it a try with short again. If less than, well, not my day. We'll try tomorrow. We'll try tomorrow again. Not a big deal. Look at this ugly consolidation. Why? 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 We don't need this. Please. Don't be like this. Okay, guys, while we're waiting for something to happen, let's talk about something. Yeah, we will see. So, no reason to force any trades right now. Let's wait for setup and try to trade this. How to pull full port 27 count? I don't know. I don't know. So I took one loss, so I don't know. I shorted. Let's do something, market makers. I'm going to give you 10 more minutes. Going to be done for the day. We'll accept this loss. Not going to try to recover this because who cares? Yes, I took a loss trying to short this. Short was from somewhere from here. Once again, in real time, I didn't look bad. I didn't look bad from here. I closed before the stop loss hit, so I closed somewhere right here. Happy I did that, honestly. Yep. $10.52. I have alarm. Why I have alarm at this time? I don't know. Well, I'm going to see it. Asia high still remains higher, so I cannot recommend like full port 27 contract, so I don't know. I never recommend this, like, nope. Is short coming? I believe, but I'm going to see it right now. I don't want to be like, get trapped in this consolidation again. Yeah, like you have 50% chance. You have 50% chance to try this. Okay, guys, let's try to be patient because I'm looking for another opportunity to short. Once again, in hindsight, like this short was ugly, but in real time, it was nice short. I still believe in this. So that's why I'm like, well, I'm going to respect this loss because in hindsight, maybe not good, but in real time it was good. So trust my analysis. SPX fills the gap. Time to short. What about to short soon, please? Okay, guys, I'm focused. I will enter the short again. Just going to give it a time. I need to finish the steam, then it will drop. I just did this experiment. It worked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm trying to be focused right now. Looking for short again. Just give us opportunity, please. Where's my 2-minute chart? Give us, please, opportunity. Some opportunity. Not this mess right here. We need to see some sort of displacement, you know. Once we can see the displacement, we can try. Every single time frame right now looks absolutely ugly. I'm going to sit and wait. On Steam, I'm going to sit for 15 more minutes. Because once I finish Steam, it's going to be free fall. Why? Because, yeah. We have SMT. Agree, yeah. So far, market took my money. He was mad. Or she was mad. Said like, give me your money, and took this. So sitting right now. But it is what it is. Mhm. Yeah, actually, I do trade market maker. I do trade 2022 model. Right now it's choppy, so I don't want to be part of these games. Sitting, waiting for magic to happen. Is a high taken on EOS? Second chart, yes, I do use it sometimes, like 15-second, 30-second, but not like for my entry, you know. It's almost 11. Probably I'm going to finish this day red, or at least this session red, which is fine. It's just part of the game. Guys, I'm going to be your signal. Once I finish this team, it's going to drop. Why? Because why not? Or it's going to wait for me and will drop with me. Let's see. Looking for short again. We have some sort of displacement. It's time to close the stream. I will in 5 minutes, even less, in 3 minutes maybe. So yeah. Yeah, so far, nothing is going on. I don't want to be like part of this consolidation. I don't want to trade these champions right now. But I will still consider short even if I'm going to finish this team. So far, I'm going to finish this team with loss. Not a big loss, but still loss. Yeah, part of the game. Part of the game. Or I'm going to short if it's going to be the opportunity like right now. You can short when Bitcoin is going to drop. Well, we got 2-minute inversion again. Right? Yeah, we got this. Looking for entry, guys, to try again the short. We got inversion. Once I'm in, I will tell you guys. Don't worry. So I still consider this flat candle as a key level. What else? Another flat candle right here. Yes, failed to offer 2-minute inversion. Only NQ offer at this level. What else? What else? SPX still doesn't want to offer the structure for me. But anyway, 5 more minutes to drop where I'm going to finish. And then it will drop. I'm going to be your signal, if it's going to drop. But today I was liquidity. Like, definitely. Okay, 1 more minute. Guys, I'm going to be your signal. Once I finish this stream, it's going to be like, woohoo! Like, move down. I know for sure. Why? Because this happens all the time. You will see this, guys. I'm not going to lie. Go. You want to do another experiment? Signal service. So, yeah, guys, I'm done for now, at least. Finishing this with red, like loss. Happens. Part of the game. Not going to complain about this. I'm going to be your signal, guys. Just watch. Once I finish, it's going to be free fall. I'm kidding, but who knows? Who knows? Like, it's going to be free fall. Oh, well. Yeah, some people say, like, yeah, we have difference when we have normal week and NFP week. I cannot say, like, today bad price action because of NFP week. Today just maybe it's waiting for news for Trump, probably. I know, maybe. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy this stream. Yeah, loss for today happens. No complaints. We'll try again later. Guys, if any questions, you can ask me on Twitter. Have a nice day. Don't make stupid mistakes anymore. Yeah, wait for opportunity. Okay, guys, bye. I'm your signal service. I'm kidding, guys. It's a joke. I'm not your friend. I cannot give you any financial advices. I'm going to journal my loss right now. And then I will show this. Maybe we'll take a screenshot and show this on Twitter. Have a great day, guys. I will try again later today. If I'm going to get perfect trade, I will record recap. So far, I have loss. We'll try again later once again. Okay, guys. Bye. Have a nice day and don't make stupid mistakes, as I did today.